Hi there. I'm here to give you a little sneak peek into a class I have coming up soon on the blues for ukulele. I'm going to be teaching this in person here in Portland as well as online. And we're going to be focusing on the blues shuffle, different fills and turnarounds that you can add into a very basic blues pattern just to kind of have some fun, make it your own. So for example, the 12-bar blues starts off with this root chord. We play it for 4 bars across that first line. Second line brings in the second chord, takes us back to the first. Third line brings in the third chord, back through the second, and all the way down to the first. But what happens if we add a little shuffle? It sounds like this. Lots more movement and a bit of tension there. Oh yeah. Very fun. Awesome. All right, so once we get a hang of that shuffle, some other little fills and turnarounds. A lot of those come at the end, but they can come in between too. All right, get ready here. So I'm coming down into the home stretch and ooh, that's a fun little way to close it out. Ooh, maybe add a little change in there too. So all of a sudden this really quote-unquote simple 12-bar blues has so much movement, so much technique, and it's just rollicking good fun to play, right? Ooh, nice fancy ending there for you. Lots of fun with these different options. As I said, you can join me here in person in Portland, Oregon. We'll be meeting Wednesday evenings. You can also join me live online Thursdays. Check your time zone. That'll be on Zoom. And then also you're welcome to enroll as a self-paced student. And that just means you get an email from me every week that says, hey, how you doing? Here's some stuff for you to learn. I'll have some videos for you, some PDF materials for you to study from, and some original recordings to listen to. And you can kind of work through it at your own pace. So whatever your choice, I hope you'll join us and have some fun with the blues this season. Thanks so much.